Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Viraj and today we guys are going to learn something about a variable. A variable is a memory block in a RAM. So anytime you create any variable, so definitely there will be some memory block will going to get assigned to it. So the syntax to create a variable is really simple. Variable name equivalent to some value. Example, a equal to 10. Here I can write it. A is a variable name. A is holding 10 as a value. 10 as a value. We can change this value to anything. If we do the something like a equal to 50, that will call as a reassignment. Okay. Defining a variable is a really easy task, but the naming convention is really important. So what kind of variable name you are giving it? So there are a few rules that you have to consider. Variable name can starts with character. When I'm saying a character, it is alphabets A to Z, or that will be the small case or a capital case or underscore. This is a valid. So if I wanted to give an example, A equal to 10 or capital A equal to 20, or we can say that underscore A 50. All these are valid. Variable can not have a digit or a number at a start. So 1A of 10 is wrong. This will give a syntax error. A1 10 correct. This is going to be correct. So we can give us something like this. Means we can use a digit, but it will be in a after first character or in a mid of that variable name or at a last. We cannot use special character like dollar, percentage, ampersand, asterisk and etc. We cannot use this. Even this is not permissible, not at a start, not at a mid or not at the end. We cannot do that. If this is going to be there, this will be again wrong. This is not a good convention. Even there is a illegal variable names like a dash 1 equal to 10. This is going to be again a wrong. Again wrong. This is not possible. So guys, what will be the best convention? If you are having, for example, if I wanted to store an employee name. So what I can write it emp underscore name, for example, Viraj, or I can do something like a name, Viraj, something like this. This is a proper convention. If the name is a long, then what you can use an underscore. You should not use a space as well. So for example, if I'm doing namespace or emp space name equal to Viraj, this will be again bomb. This again gives an error, or we can say that wrong convention. Writing a code is the easiest task, guys. But what we need to do, we need to write a quality content, quality code. So what we have to consider, what kind of task we are doing, basis on that we have to pick up the variable names. We should avoid the variable name like A, B, C or so on. For learning point of view, it is good. If you are learning the Python first time, then it is good to take a variable name like A, B, C or so on. But when you are writing code for any project or in a company, then you should not do this. You should avoid a variable name like that. Let me take a few more examples and let's see the actual errors. A equal to 10. If I'm dumping a, what I will get? 10. If I'm doing something like a equal to 20. Now A is going to point to the latest value, which is going to be 20, not a 10. This is why, this is because of reassignment. Reassignment. We have to consider this. If I'm doing a capital A as a 30, what will happen? Small a and capital A are two different things. Python is a case sensitive programming language. So small a and caps A are different. So small a is going to hold a 20 and cap A is going to hold a 30. You can see this. If I'm giving a emp space name and Viraj, and let's run this. You can see the syntactically it is not appropriate, syntax error. And guys, this is the beauty of the programming. So you got the error, what exactly not working. So we can see that we can fix it by reading this error, syntax error. Means this is Python is not able to understand. For example, one name equal to Viraj. This is also not permissible. If I'm doing a name, emp hyphen name equal to Viraj, it is also not permissible. Dollar name equal Viraj, again not permissible, but name equal to Viraj is permissible. Emp name equal to Viraj is permissible. So we can dump name as well as emp name. We can see this because both are having the same value. So that's why it is printing the same name and emp underscore name. One more thing. Variable can hold any kind of value. Variables are made for storing any kind of value. So variable can hold any kind of value, which could be integer, float, string, boolean, etc. etc. You can store any kind of value. So that's all for this tutorial, guys. Let's meet in a next tutorial. Thanks.